Chapter 44. The Battle for Accountability. Tukoji, along with his accountant Naro Ganesh, was constantly embezzling money. He never sent anything to Ahilya Devi for the enrichment of Daulat money. Not just that, to pressurize her to send money from her Khasgi, they kept lying to Nana Fadnavis and Haripant Phadke that the Holkar troops could not take part in the battles because Ahilya Devi would not pay the soldiers. Tukoji had conflicts with Maharji as well. Maharji used to handle the north and looted a lot of money from Rajputana. Tukoji never accompanied him, but he used to ask for his share of the looted amount, as Malwa was shared between three Sardars, Holkars, Sindhia and Pawar. Nana Fadnavis decided to look into the matter. Nana Fadnavis sent a letter to Ahilya Devi questioning her about the accounts. He doubted her intentions. He accused her of spending Daulat money for all her social work and building temples. Ahilya Devi was trained under Malhar Rao. He used to divide the looted money into three parts. One part used to go to Daulat, which was used for all the army maintenance. The other part was sent to Peshwa as a tax, and the third part used to be added to Khasgi for the personal expenses of women of the house. When Malhar Rao died, he left the amount of 16 crores in Khasgi for Ahilya Devi. She was always very particular regarding accounting. All the charity, construction and restoration work was done with that money. All the Sardars from Peshwa Darbar and Tukoji had an eye on the Holkar Khasgi property. They knew that if they got hold of it by some or the other way, that would be a big fortune. But they also knew that Ahilya Devi was not a discrepant woman, so everyone was plotting against her in some or the other way. Ahilya Bai received Nana Fadnavis's letter. She felt violated. After all the loyalty Malhar Rao and herself had shown to Peshwa, she had to answer something like that which had doubted her dignity. Furiously, she wrote the letter to Nana, telling him all about Tukoji's behavior and bad intentions. She suggested Nana send an accountant from Pune Darbar to check all her and Tukoji's account books. In the letter, she also clarified that all the expenses he mentioned were done using her Khasgi money. She challenged him that while tallying accounts, if he found a single penny from Daulat used for her personal or charity work, she would return 10 times the money from Khasgi. When the accountants from Peshwa Darbar scrutinized all the account books of Ahilya Devi in Maheshwar, they wrote to Nana that there wasn't a single flaw in those accounts and Ahilya Devi was not the person who should ever be doubted. Haripant told Nana Fadnavis that she was not an ordinary lady and hence he should not upset her or lose her trust because that would be a grave mistake. Nana realized the gravity of the situation and apologized to her.